Yash, please unmute yourself.
Hello, sir. Namaste.
Namaste.
Sir, I need you to please enlighten me. Uh, as the question I want to ask you is that several times I sense that some kind of spirit is around me. Several
Hmm.
times it happens to me that I feel that some kind of spirit is around to me. And that's what make me wonder that whether I should go to a pandit, what should I do? And it disturbs me. So I need your enlightenment in helping me out. And it also sometimes, sir, it makes me it's like I want to learn astrology. Like I sometimes I see tantra videos, sometimes different things are happening related to occult to me. I am a businessman, I'm doing a very good business, I'm earning well. But this small issue I need enlightenment. What should I do? Should I stay away from all these things? Should I learn
Light,
astrology? Should I
light a
Yes.
lamp, any kind of an oil lamp or ghee lamp in the southeast of your house.
Southeast of my house. Okay, sir.
Okay. Whenever
Okay.
you feel that you are a little scared in the morning or in the evening, go sit in front of the lamp.
Okay.
Okay. Whoever is your god or goddess that you believe in, imagine that.
Okay,
All
sir.
right. Open your
Yes.
eyes, look at the lamp. Gaze at
Okay,
the
sir.
lamp for a minute.
Okay, sir.
Then close your eyes, spread throughout the body, think of the entire body.
All
Do
right,
this
sir.
for 2 to 3 times. It will take only 3-4 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Take a
Okay,
very
sir.
strong affirmation, a sankalpa, that the divine force protects us, guides us, leads us, supports us day and night at all times, in all places, and in all our duties. None of the spirits will trouble you, sir. Guaranteed, enjoy yourself, have fun, good luck, be blessed.
All right, sir.
All right, Yash, thank you.